Alright, in this video I wanted to cover creating stairs and also how to create a handrail just in a random place, and maybe a little bit on just editing both of those elements. So I've got a stair in here right now, but I will delete that so I can show you guys how to do that. Sorry, I had to send my wife a text real quick. So I'll just delete this stair. If it will let me. It's going up. Delete. Alright, so now the stair is gone. So in order to make a stair, you're going to want to pay attention to where your base level is and where your top level is. So for this, the first floor is going to be, it's going to be your first floor, duh. And then the top level in this case is going to be the second floor. And then you can determine the amount of, I believe, what is this one? I can get this to open up a little more. Yeah, so you can discern what the number of risers you would like to be. So if I wanted 18, it would bring my actual riser height to 6 inches, and if I try and do something crazy like 5, it would be 1'9", and if I applied this, it would give me a code deal saying you cannot do this because it doesn't meet code. I think code's like 7 3/4 of an inch on a residential house, but I'm going to go back to 16, hit apply, and that is within code. So now I'm going to come up here and choose which kind of stair I would like. So I think I want residential open 2 sides. So basically just click on the floor and drag it in the direction you want it to go, and once it's created enough stairs to get to the next floor, it will already be there for you. So at this point you can come in here and you can determine the width of the stair here. So if I want it to be 6 feet wide, I would type that in, and as you can see, it made it huge. Then there's some options on ending or beginning with risers. It's really just kind of up to you and what you're trying to accomplish. But yeah, anyway, that's how you do that. So I'm actually going to undo the stair because I already had a good stair. So now for rails, I'm going to come up to the second floor because there's a spot where I need a handrail. So as you can see, I've got a handrail here, but I will delete it and put in a new one. So how you do that is you come to the architecture tab, railing, and then you're going to want to, I guess, there's no rail on the stair, so I'll start out with showing you how to do that. You would press place on stair. I guess depending on this, you can decide if you want it on your stringers or your treads. I think I'll go for the treads, and I'll probably just do the pipe handrail, and then click, and it has added those both. So now to do just a freestanding handrail. So sorry, I skipped the explanation of how to do that. So architecture, railing, sketch path, and then this is pretty close to model in place kind of items, so I just use the line tool. It's fairly easy to do. So you can just come to the edge of your wall, or even offset it off the wall a little bit, and then drag it out to where you want it to end, and click the green check mark, and as you can see, there is a rail there now. And I will go into 3D view so you can see this stuff. Probably would have been easier to make a section box, but I will just hide all this stuff until we get a good view. So, as you can see, it added the rail to the stair, and it also added these guardrails up here on the second floor. And I would prefer not to have the rail on this side of the stair, so getting rid of it is as simple as clicking on it and pressing delete, and then it's gone, and you're left with just these rails. So anyway, I hope that was a helpful tutorial on stairs and railing on stairs, and also guardrails.